Tsaka yung mango.
Fresh vegetable. We are in... Hindi, ang pangalan JM Shawarma eh.
JM Shawarma.
This is generic na branding lang siya, no?
Branding na yan.
Kasi Manila yung mga shawarma man. So ibang shawarma yun, hindi sabihin. This place is just beside Hope Christian Academy. So wala masyadong client because walang klase. These are their product lines. Yan. Ang presyo na ito din pareho sa mall Gapon? Pareho lang? Kasi yung price nila, no? So anong in-order mo? We ordered shawarma, overload, then all meat.
All meat, tsaka
Paano na gina-prepare yan? So wanang...
Mozzarella focus na.
Ha?
Mozzarella.
Ano na siya?
Mozzarella cheese.
Cheese. Yan pala siya. Pagkaluto niya. Kasi i-clip mo yan. Okay. So let's just observe yung paano yung preparation nila. Siya. Saan tawagan ng kuan gani? Bread nga kuan?
Pita bread po.
Pita bread. Ito yung ginagamit sa India, no? Sa India, Pakistan. Shawarma is Pakistani or Indian? Nag-click nyo na. Yung branding nila is yung JM Shawarma. Nakita lang namin sa while we're going home. And sort of yung... So this place is just beside Hope School. Ito yung boundary mismo. So ito mismo, that's the entrance of Hope Christian School. Wala masyadong... Wala pa siyang kuhan? Wala siyang kasama dito? No? Walang other... Yan, this one. So they have yung cheesy mozza, chips rice noodles, beef vegan, chicken tuna, and wrap regular overload. Yung mga so they have also the blended sauces made of real garlic, onion, and chili. At mag-prepare niya ng prepare niya. Lagay sa lupin. Ito yung morning meat ninyo, no? Meat. Okay. Naman tayo spicy sauce, no? Ano siya? This is the meat. This is the pita bread. Of course. These are the clear picture. So the regular is priced at 79. Shawarma overload is 105. All meat is 79. Ito yung then cheesy wrap 79. Mozzarella 79. Pita cheese 125. And you have the shawarma bowl. Okay, that's it.